Okay, well done, year one. I hope you enjoyed singing our song and welcome to Friday's Phonics. Now, yesterday in Phonics, we helped the King and Queen of Letterland to sort out the letters of the alphabet that got jumbled because the naughty knight had muddled them up and stolen some of the letters, and we did really well. So we're going to carry on with our alphabet learning today, and we're going to start off by singing the alphabet. Now, you've already warmed your voice up by singing the Song of Sound song, so now I would like you to continue that singing, and we're going to have a go at singing our alphabet, but I would like you to whisper the alphabet, so whisper sing. Are we ready? Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Well done. Now you might want to pause the video and practice again. Maybe this time you want to sing it, shouting it as loud as you can, or sing it in a low voice or a high voice. The more times you practice singing the alphabet, the easier you will find to recite the entire thing. Now we're going to play a little bit of alphabet tennis. So get your imaginary tennis racket and your imaginary tennis ball. Now we've done this with sounds before. I'm going to serve and bat to you a letter of the alphabet, and I want you to bat the next letter back. We're going to do these in chunks, so we'll probably do about 5 letters and then we'll stop. So I'm going to start with nice easy ones. So I'm going to get ready to serve. If you've got your tennis racket, here comes the ball. I'm going to bat A. So what are you going to hit back? B, C, E, G. Well done. Okay, I'm going to try from a later on in the alphabet this time. So it's going to be a bit harder. I'm going to bat to you T. What comes after T? U. V. X. Z. Well done. Okay, let's try one more. I'm going to start on the letter M. M. So M, so you're going to bat back, N, O, Q, S, U. Well done. Now that's not tricky. That's not easy. Starting the alphabet from the middle, but the more we learn our alphabet, the easier you'll find picking up that alphabet from anywhere and being able to carry it on. So maybe pause the video and have a go of this game with a parent, a brother or sister, or if you're going to Zoom a friend later, maybe you could play this game with them on Zoom and really practice our table tennis with our alphabet. Okay, I've got another game for you. You're going to need a piece of paper and a pencil. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a letter of the alphabet, and I would like you to try to write what comes next all the way to Z if you can. So this is something you can do at home. I've gone on something called online stopwatch, and you can choose whether it's an egg timer, a rocket, a candle, and you can type in the time that you would like. So I've given you 30 seconds and I'm going to show you a letter. Your letter is, what letter is this? It's K. The sound is K, but the letter name is K. So you're going to start at the letter K and see if you can write the alphabet all the way to Z before our timer runs out. Now 30 seconds is not long, but I don't want to give you more than that time while we're on this video together because I don't want you to get bored. So if you play this again when we finish our lesson today, maybe you would want to put in more time on your stopwatch. Now you might do it on a stopwatch on your mummy or your daddy's phone. You might have a stopwatch at home. You might have your own watch that you can time yourself on. But if not, go to online stopwatch. So we're going to start at K and you're going to write on. So what comes after K? L. Are you ready? So writing all the way to Z. On your marks, get set, go. "20 seconds left. See how far you can get. 10 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And pens down. Okay, how did you get on? How far did you get? 30 seconds is not long at all. So maybe pause the video, rewind, and try again from the letter K and see if this time, can you get further than you did? Can you get even further this time? Maybe you only made it to T. And maybe if you try again, you'll get even further. Right, we're going to try a different timer this time. So how about now we do a candle? Okay, so I'm going to give you 30 seconds again, but this time I'm going to get you to start from a different letter. So here's our candle. The letter I would like you to start from is D. Now this is going to be harder because D is closer to the start of the alphabet, so there are more letters to write this time. So what comes after the letter D? A, B, C, D, E. So you're going to start on D and then write E, F, G, all the way to Z. All right, if you're finding this easy, really concentrate on forming those letters correctly. We only have 30 seconds again, so get ready, on your marks, get set, go. "20 seconds left. The candle's burning down. "10 seconds left. See how far you can get. Two, 1, 0. Pens down. How far did you get that time? That was difficult. That was a challenge. It was not much time at all. So maybe pause the video, rewind, and have another go. In fact, you could also pause the video, give yourself maybe a bit longer time and see if you can write the entire alphabet. How quickly can you write your entire alphabet? Challenge yourself and see how you get on. Alrighty. So we are learning about our alphabet today. Now that can be singing our alphabet, writing our alphabet, but it's also about putting things into alphabetical order. So I have some words and I'd like you to read them for me. Fish, well done. Ow, mouth. Apple, apple. And our last one is a split vowel. Snake. Okay, so I have four words on the board here, but I would like to put them into alphabetical order. Let me bring you a bit closer. I would like to put them into alphabetical order. And I need your help. Can you pause the video and see if you can write fish, mouth, apple and snake in alphabetical order for me? Okay, how did you get on? Did you manage it? Let's try it together. So the first thing I'm going to do is think about my alphabet. I'm going to look at the first letter of each word and I need to find the one that comes first in our alphabet. So I'm going to start by singing the alphabet. If you hear me say a letter in the alphabet, one of these words start with it, grab it for me. A. I stopped right there because A for apple. So this word must come first in our alphabet. So we have A for apple. So let's try again. I'm going to sing the alphabet. We have F, M and S. If I say any of those letters, grab them. So A, B, C, D, E, F. Fish. So F comes next in our list of words. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. Well done. M for mouth. Okay, so M comes next, which means snake is our last word. Now you have just put those words in alphabetical order. Okay, just by singing your alphabet, you can now start ordering things alphabetically. Now that one was quite easy. I have another set of words that are a little bit more challenging. Let's have a look at why they're more challenging. So, can you read this word? Well done. We have goat, fairy. So we have a G and F. shark. And our final word, sack. Okay, could you pause the video and try and put those words in alphabetical order? Goat, fairy, shark and sack. Off you go. Okay, let's see how you got on. We're going to do it the same way. I'm going to sing the alphabet. If you hear the letter G, F or S, I want you to grab the word, okay? A, B, C, D, E, F. Oh, well done. F for fairy. So that is our first letter of the alphabet in our words. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Did you grab goat? Well done. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, S. Oh, but we have two words that have the letter S. We have shark and we have sack. So which word would I write first? Now this is where it gets tricky. Both of them start with the letter S. So rather than looking at the first letter, we are going to look at the second letter. So this one has a H, this one has an A. What comes first in our alphabet? H or A? A, doesn't it? So we go A, so sack. Oh, I've lost my blue tack. Sack would be the next one. And then shark. So when we have two letters that are the same, so we had two letter S, then we look at the second letter and judge it from that. So you can have a go now at writing 5 of your own words and see if you can arrange them in alphabetical order. See how you get on. You might get your family members to write some words for you to sort, or you might write words that challenge them. Okay, your activity today. Your activity for today. I have sent you a board game. Now the board game, you roll the dice, you move that many spaces, and you will land on a letter. You need to say that letter's name and the sound that letter makes. So if you landed on the letter A, you would say its name, A, and say its sound, A. If you find that easy, when you land on a letter, can you say the letter that comes before it and the letter that comes after it in the alphabet? There will also be a blank version of this game so that you can write your letters in your own order, in an order of your choosing. Enjoy your game and have a lovely weekend.